टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द यूक्लिडियन रिंग। सबसे पहले डेफिनेशन देखते हैं। एन इंटीग्रल डोमेन से आर इज सेड टू बी यूक्लिडियन रिंग if for every non-zero element a belongs to R, there is a non-negative integer dA such that the first condition is a comma b is not equal to 0 in R, then dA is less than equal to dAb. The second condition is if a comma b both are non-zero element in R, then there exists t comma r belongs to R such that a is equal to tb plus r, where either r is equal to 0 or dr is less than db. अब हम यूक्लिडियन रिंग के लिए कुछ थ्योरम्स देखेंगे। पहली थ्योरम है, इफ़ R is an Euclidean ring, A is an idol of R, A not in A, where A not belongs to A, then every element of A is of the form A not X such that X belongs to R. और इसका सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है, एवरी आइडल इन अ यूक्लिडियन रिंग इज़ अ प्रिंसिपल आइडल रिंग। और इसका स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है, इफ़ R is a Euclidean ring, then any idol of A in R is of the form A is equal to A naught. और इसका स्टेटमेंट हो सकता है, एवरी यूक्लिडियन रिंग इज़ अ प्रिंसिपल आइडल रिंग। अब हम इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं। इफ़ A just contain one element 0, then we put A naught is equal to 0. Then obviously in this case the theorem is obviously true. Now we assume that A is not equal to 0. Hence there is an A is not equal to 0 in capital A. Choose an A naught belongs to A such that dA0 is minimal. Suppose that A belongs to capital A. Therefore R is an Euclidean ring. And so by the definition of Euclidean ring, there exists t comma r belongs to R such that A is equal to t A naught plus R, where R is equal to 0, which implies that dr is less than dA naught. If R is equal to 0, then A is equal to t A0. In this case the theorem is obviously true. Now if R is not equal to 0, then R is equal to A minus t A naught belongs to A. For A is an idol, thus t A naught belongs to A belongs to capital A minus t A0 belongs to A, and dr is less than dA naught, which contradiction the fact that dA naught is minimal. Thus R is equal to 0 and hence A is equal to t A naught, which proves the theorem. Now there is another theorem जिसका स्टेटमेंट है, एवरी यूक्लिडियन रिंग possesses unit element. Let R be a Euclidean ring, then R is certainly an idol of R. So by the previous theorem, R is equal to U naught for some U naught belongs to R. Thus every element in R is a multiple of U naught. Therefore in particular U naught is equal to U naught C for some C belongs to R. Then small a belongs to R, then A is equal to X U naught. For some X belongs to R, U naught belongs to R. Hence A dot C is equal to X U naught C, which is equal to X U naught C X dot U naught, which is equal to A. Now this implies that AC is equal to A, which implies that C is a unit element. तो ये हमें प्रूफ करना था. Now there is another definition. If A is not equal to 0 and A comma B are in commutative R, then A is said to be divide B if there exists C belongs to R such that B is equal to AC A by B. First condition is A comma B comma C belongs to R, then A by B comma B by C implies A by C. Second condition is A by B comma A by C is equal to A by B plus minus C. And the third condition is A by B, then This implies a by bx for all x belongs to R. Now there is a definition of greatest common divisor. तो इसकी definition देखते हैं. If a comma b belongs to R, then D belongs to R is said to be greatest common divisor of A and B if it satisfies two conditions. First one is D by A and D by B, and the second is when C by A and C by B is equal, implies that C by D. So D is equal to A comma B. Now there's a theorem. Let R be a Euclidean ring, then any two elements A and B in R have a greatest common divisor D. Moreover, D is equal to lambda A plus mu B for some lambda comma mu belongs to R. इसका प्रूफ देखते हैं. Let A is equal to RA plus SB such that R dot R comma S belongs to R is a superset of R. Now first we shall prove that A is an idol of R. Suppose that x comma y belongs to A. Since x is equal to R1A plus S1B and y is equal to R2A plus S2B. Now where R1, R2, S1, S2 belongs to R, x plus y is equal to R1A plus S1B plus R2A plus S2B. Now R1A plus R2B plus S1B plus S2B. इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. इसके बाद हमने A और B कॉमन ले लिया. सो R1 plus R2 bracket A plus S1 plus S2 bracket B which belongs to A. By definition, for all R1, R2 belongs to R, R1 plus R2 belongs to R, and S1 plus S2 belongs to R. Since x plus y belongs to A, also minus x is equal to minus R1A plus S1B, which is equal to minus R1 bracket A plus bracket minus S1B belongs to A. A is additive subgroup of R. Now if small r belongs to R, then Rx is equal to R1A plus S1B. So it can be written as R1A bracket plus S1B bracket by associative property. Now this is equal to R1A plus S1B belongs to A. Similarly, XR belongs to A. Thus A is a idol of R. Every idol in a Euclidean ring is a principal idol. So A is equal to D for some D belongs to R. Obviously D belongs to A, then D is equal to lambda A plus mu B comma mu and lambda belongs to R. R is a Euclidean ring, so it possesses unit element, that is 1 belongs to R. Now we can write, if R is equal to 1 and S is equal to 0, A is equal to 1 dot A plus 0 dot B belongs to A, which implies 1 dot A plus 0 dot B is equal to A, which belongs to A. Now if R is equal to 0 and S is equal to 1, so B is equal to 0 dot A plus 1 dot B belongs to A. Then 0 dot A plus 1 dot B is equal to B belongs to A. And so A comma B are multiple of D, then D by A and D by B. Now if C by A and C by B, thus C by lambda A and C by mu A. So lambda comma mu belongs to R. So C is a divisor of lambda A plus mu B. C is also a divisor of lambda A plus mu B. Then C is divisor of D. Thus D is greatest common divisor of A and B, which is equal to D is equal to A comma B.